5-minute solution will show you how to set high graphics settings for Genshin Impact on iPhone. To play Genshin Impact in best quality, you can improve graphics quality easily. Follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, open your Genshin Impact game and tap on your profile photo at the top left. Now select Settings, select Graphics, and Graphics Quality, select High or Highest. Then tap on Brightness, and from here you can increase or decrease your Genshin Impact game brightness. And then inside of custom settings, set high for all of this option. Select high for render resolution, select high for shadow quality, visual effects, select high or highest, SFX quality, select high, environment detail, select highest or high, FPS, select 60 FPS, motion blur, select high, bloom, select on, anti-aliasing, select TAA, and then crowd density, select high. Then go back from here, and now all you have to do is just close your Genshin Impact game and restart the game. And this is how we can set high graphics settings for Genshin Impact on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.